Hi friends, I am Mahant. So today I am going to show you how to install Windows 8.1 on VirtualBox. So what is VM and what is VirtualBox? VM stands for Virtual Machine and it allows you to install many operating systems than your local machine. What is VirtualBox? VirtualBox allows you to install virtual machines in a single app. You can install Windows, Linux, Mac, MS-DOS, etc. So let's get started on installing. So you have to install the application called VirtualBox. I'll give a link in the description so you can download and install. So now you can click on this new icon. Once you click on new, you will get this create virtual machine box. So here give it a name. So I gave it as Windows 8.1 and the type should be Microsoft Windows and the version of it should be Windows 8.1 64-bit, and you can give it some RAM. So I have 4 gigabytes of RAM, so I'll give it about 1.962 MB. So you can give it how much ever you want. And now in the hard disk, here you can click on create a virtual hard disk now. So you click on create and here give some file space, means the hard disk space. So it's recommending us to give us 40 GB, but I'll give it at least 90 GB. So once you give enough storage for the virtual machine, click on create. So now on the side tab, you will see that your virtual machine of Windows 8.1 is created, and now you can go to settings. And once you go to settings, go to storage, and in the DVD icon right here, click on it, and there go to this DVD icon and click on choose a disk file. So I have to download a Windows 8 ISO file. I'll leave the link in the description. So this is the ISO file. So I'll click on open. And here now the ISO disk image is inserted. Now I'll click on OK. Now it's time to start our virtual machine for the first time. So now you can click on start over here. And the virtual machine will boot up. It will take some time. So now once you get this select startup disk, you will click on this icon and you will click on Windows 8.1 Pro in English.64 ISO file. You will click on start. So it will boot to that ISO disk image now. That's a starting virtual machine. So now I'll make the bigger screen so you can see it full. So now Windows 8.1 is being boot in our virtual machine. So now it's booting up to the setup screen of Windows 8.1. So here you can select your language and everything here. So now you can click on next and click on install now. So as you can see, the setup is starting. So now once you get this enter the product key to activate Windows page, I'll leave the product key link in the description and you can enter it in the box. So I'll enter it and come back. So now you want to click on next. So it will load. So now you need to accept the license terms, then click on next again. So here when you get this, which type of installation do you want, click on custom. So here as you can see, the hard drive is detected 90.6 GB. Now select the hard drive and click on next. So now Windows will be installed on the hard drive. So after installation, the machine will reboot several times, and after rebooting you will get this personalized screen. So here you can select any color you want. I'll keep it as default and give it a PC name. Then give it 8.1. I'll give it Windows 8.1. And now I'll give it just as Windows. So sometimes you'll get this errors. So make sure that you do not use these. You can only use letters. And then click on next. So once you click on next, it should load. So it will take some time on loading. So now you will get this settings page. In here you can select use express settings, or you can even customize. So I'll use the use express settings. So it's now checking our internet connection. So if you are connected to your local host internet, then it will ask you to sign in to Microsoft account. So I'm not connected to my local network, so it won't ask me for Microsoft account login. So it says Windows is having trouble to connect with your internet. So I'm going to click on create a local account. So here you can enter any username. So just say Windows 8.1. If you want to add a password, you can add a password, but I won't. So I'll just click on finish. So I'll just say finalizing your settings. It's going to take some time. So after installation, you will be greeted to the Windows 8.1 desktop. So now there is a little bit of problem. As you can see here and over here, there is no Windows 8.1 desktop because this is not the entire full screen mode. So to enable full screen mode, we need to install an application called VirtualBox Guest Editions. So to install the application, we will go to here as you can see devices. We will click on devices and click on insert guest editions. So it will, as you can see, my guest editions have been inserted. This one, this DVD. So I'll go to File Explorer. So in File Explorer, as you can see, you want to right click on this and click on install or run program from your media. So it will load, and as you can see, this pop-up came. So click on yes. So the setup of VirtualBox Guest Editions will be open. So here click on next. Select the location, click on next. Here select everything and click on next install. So sometimes driver pop-ups will come, so you have to click on install for every single of them. Sometimes 2 to 3 driver pop-ups will come. So as you can see, it's installing guest driver over here. So when this window comes, you click on install. So sometimes 2 to 3 pop-ups will come, or one sometimes. So install, it says installation was successful, install complete. So now click on this is the screen. So you have to select reboot now and click on finish. So it will take some time. The machine will be restarting one time. So it will restart, as you can see. So once restart, you should have the full screen of virtual machine. So now as you can see, the virtual machine is in full screen mode. So you can use the computer as however you want, like you can also use it as a normal personal computer. So that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.